Rainy day in August. Not much to do. Hey guys, what are you doing?
Pushing.
Okay, go this way. Go towards Daddy. Ollie, stick on so I've got. It's gonna break the wheels. Ollie, get off.
Last push, guys.
Okay, last push. Ollie, go sit down. Okay, Austin, go slowly.
Sit down.
In the chair, Ollie. Why not? It's gonna break.
That's okay. One more time. We're just gonna film you.
Ollie, sit down.
Whee! Bye, guys. Hey, good tent, guys. Who made the tent?
I'll just go down back there.
You go then, but don't push them.
Ollie, move your legs.
Your baby, Ollie, is that why you're sucking your thumb? You can't turn corners, eh? Okay.
Okay, that's enough now. The wheels are gonna break. Okay. Ollie, no more. Wheels will break.
Smile, Ollie.
Cheese.
Cheese. You're cheesing.
Cheese.
Get down. Oh. What's that over there? Is that the tent? How old are you, Ollie?
That's.
How old? You're 6?
Yeah.
No, you're not. How old are you? You're 2, Ollie. That 2.
What?
Lydia, do you want to do a spin on your dress?
Yeah.
Go over there, spin on your dress.
Lily, why is there a little?
Hello? Go on to the dress.
Lily, don't do it.
Lydia, you going to do a spin or not? Lydia, are you going to show your spinny dress or not? Yes or no, or I'm turning it away? Stand it.
No.
Okay.